Palamenti yagidde akakiiko akeddemedde obuntu mu kikolwa ng'olukulu okugenda okunoonyereza ku bikwata ku Dr. Kiiza Besigye n'embeera gy'alimu mu kkomera e Luzira. Ekiragiro kino kivudde ku mubaka w'e Buhweju Francis Mwenjuche okwemulugunya nti Palamenti tesobola kugenda mu maaso mu mbeera eno nga baminisita bateekeddwa okubaako bye baanukula tebaliiwo omuli n'embeera ya Dr. Kiiza Besigye gy'alimu. Ono era ategeeza nti Palamenti nga tennaba kuddamu eyali mu ntebe yali alagidde gavumenti okujja okunnyonnyola ebikwata ku Dr. Kiiza Besigye era nga alipoota eno yabadde yakwanjibwa olunaku lwa jjo ekitaakoleddwa. Ono era alaze egimu ku mikutu egisobola okuyitwamu okulwanirira Dr. Besigye.
Are being infringed upon. The issue of Dr. Besigye has come here many times. Pictures of Besigye looking frail, sickly, are awash in the media and out there. And therefore, as Parliament, we need to be seen to do something, to take a decision on this issue.
Omumyuka w'omukubiza w'ekikolwa ng'olukulu Thomas Tayebwa annyonnyodde nga ensonga eno bw'erina akakwate ku nsonga y'omubaka Atkins Katusabe olunaku olwajjo gye yayanjudde era nga ssaabawolereza wa gavumenti abadde afunye bye yabadde asabye nga waakunnyonnyola mu bbanga eritali lya wala. Wabula omubaka Asuman Basalirwa atangaaza sipiika ku njawulo eri wakati w'ensonga zino ezanjuddwa ababaka ku Dr. Besigye.
What is happening now in Luzira of subjecting Dr. Besigye to cage discussion? You are this way, there is a cage, is that side, is completely alien in Luzira. Anybody who has been there knows. So, Right Honourable Speaker, the issue we wanted to understand is whether there is a policy shift in as far as visiting and interacting with the prisoners is concerned, especially with regard to Dr. Besigye. That is the issue, Right Honourable Speaker, that perhaps, and not the Attorney General, the Minister for Internal Affairs should come and state whether there is a policy shift.
Onera alabudde nti singa Palamenti tebaako kyekola Dr. Besigye n'afiira mu nkomyo kyakuswaza Palamenti.
Speaker, if Dr. Besigye dies in prison, God forbid, it will send a very bad signal on this institution. Very bad. That something happened, we were around, and we didn't speak out. I wouldn't like, Right Honourable Speaker, to be under your tenure that a leading opposition politician, who, by the way, as we celebrate 39 years of the NRM, one of the people who brought this government in power, that is dying in the regime he facilitated to come to power. It will be really very unfortunate. So,
yeeyungiddwako akulira oludda oluwabula gavumenti mu Palamenti Joel Ssenyonyi ng'asoose kwemulugunya ku kubulawo kw'abaminisita nga kino kiwaliza Palamenti okuwummulamu okumala eddakiika 20.
But government should take Parliament serious. So when I saw the adjournment for 20 minutes, I was disappointed that for the umpteenth time, because we have done this several times, that you get disappointed and frustrated, the front bench is vacant, you suspend the House. But now that government is back, Right Honourable Speaker, I don't want to think that the Attorney General and the Minister for Justice and Constitutional Affairs is trying to dodge these critical issues that we are raising of human rights violations. The Deputy Attorney General was here yesterday. He told us he had written to Parliament to get information of the concerns we raised about Dr. Kiiza Besigye. And he was meant to give us feedback. Now they are all absent.
Parliament mu kusooka ewummuddemu ng'okusinziira ku mmyuka w'omukubiza w'ekikolwa ng'olukulu Thomas Tayebwa kivudde ku bbulawo ly'abaminisita nga Parliament eggulawo. Ku nsonga za Besigye akulira oludda oluwala gavumenti mu Parliament Joel Ssenyonyi ategeeza nga Parliament bw'etateekeddwa kulinda Besigye kufa batandike okumuwaana byakoledde eggwanga lino.
Honourable Segirinya, he was denied bail. We raised those concerns. The presiding officer, he told us, those are matters of court. He said, but the man is sick. Eventually, he was granted bail. He was rearrested outside prisons. We brought the matter here, Right Honourable Speaker. As presiding officers, he told us that matter is in court. But we let the man down. He eventually died because we could not stand up for one of our own. Right Honourable Speaker, are we waiting for you to announce to us that Dr. Kiiza Besigye, former, because he was in the Constituent Assembly, former minister and all these different things, then you tell us to stand up, observe a moment of silence, to pay tribute to him, Are we waiting for that?
Mu buufu bwe bumu omubaka Ibrahim Ssemujju alangidde ababaka ba NRM obuteefiirayo ng'ensonga z'eddembe ly'obuntu zoogerwako.
Matters of rights. I see no appetite from the NRM to participate. The other day you saw how Honorable Akamba was arrested, not even like a chicken thief. Grabbed. The tendency from my experience here is for our colleagues from NRM to think violations are limited to us.
Era kino kyesinziddwako Tayyeba okulagira akakiiko ak'eddembe ly'obuntu okugenda okunoonyeza ku nsonga za Dr. Besigye olunaku olw'enkya.
So what I'm going to do, since they are coming on Tuesday to present a statement with regard to what Honorable Atkins was talking about yesterday, I have consulted with the chairperson committee on human rights. Let the committee on human rights go visit Dr. Besigye tomorrow, okay? And they make a report which should come on Tuesday, so that once we are debating the statement from government, we also debate the statement, the report of the committee.
Wabula ne Commissioner wa Parliament Mathias Mpuuga Nsamba asabye ensonga y'abantu abasoba mu 15 abasibe okubeera ng'ennyonnyolwako nga bwe kizze kisula.
Concluded. But as a matter of reminder to the House, that the time you gave the Minister of Defense and Internal Affairs, these two ministers, to come and report on the missing 18 has since lapsed. The time was given in November. May you compel them to report next week on the same matter so that we handle them concurrently, right, Honorable Speaker?
Sure. Next slide.
Dr. Besigye yakwatibwa mu ggwanga erya Kenya mu mwezi ogw'E11 omwaka oguwedde era nga awenennemba n'emisango omuli ogw'okuba n'ebyokulwanyisa mu bumenyi bw'amateeka nga guyindira mu kkooti y'abannamagye Makindye. Minisita Ruth Nankabirwa asuubiza okutuusa obubaka buno eri baminisita abakwatibwako.
As Canon Dr. Ruth Nankabirwa, to declare that we shall pray that God protects Dr. Kiiza Besigye and that justice be done unto him. I am going to speak to my colleagues. I have listened what the colleagues have raised, such that come Tuesday, a satisfying answer is given to this House regarding Dr. Kiiza Besigye's plea. I wanted to be on record that we will pray.
Yise Kigongo kulwa Channel 44 Origulo.